Alright, yo, we got a good one for y'all today. I'm actually mad excited. I finally got these wheels that I've been so hyped about and I've been wanting to get for so long. Y'all know me, man, I'm a bit impatient, so I want to get right to it. So without further ado, we got a blacked out 4 performance package Mustang GT wheels, and we got a set of 4 of them through all the back of our car. But as y'all see, it's raining. It's a little nasty out, so I don't want to do too much talking. We were able to source some tires. Hopefully they're able to just get these installed with no headaches and no hiccups. We're gonna take y'all on this trip, and hopefully y'all enjoy the process. If y'all do enjoy, hit that like button, drop a comment, drop any ideas for any videos y'all want to see. We'll hopefully try to make them happen. See you when we get there. Peace. Man, I really don't like the traffic out here. Yeah, man. Can't wait to put some mods on this car. I'm excited, man. We're around the corner from the body shop. We just hit the ATM real quick. Now we're just gonna go run over and get these wheels installed. So yeah, stick around for that. Peace. So we just pulled up over here. Yeah, it's sketchy, but this is the spot. I'm about to just run in there real quick. Alright, y'all, so we just got to the shop. My man just hooked it up. He said it's cool, we record, so we're not gonna try to do too much. At the moment, I'm happy. So if y'all in town, if y'all want them, Leon's Tires, I'll definitely show some love because he's taking care of you. I'm gonna let him do his thing. I don't want to be in his way, so kind of just wanted to show y'all. And we're gonna get this thing started, so we're gonna show y'all a little bit of the process, and hopefully y'all stick around. So without further ado, hold on. But yeah, man, he's finishing up slapping those tires on our black performance wheels right now. We're gonna try to fit all those. I left the donut at home because I knew I just wasn't gonna have the space. I mean, those wheels ain't small. It's 20-inch wheels, so we'll show y'all how those turn out. So stick around for the end product. So we just ran into a little headache. One of our wheels has a leak in the actual valve, so my man's gonna try to fix it, and hopefully he can replace it. If not, we're gonna have to go buy a new one. But he's doing his best. I think he's gonna be able to, so we're gonna get some clips for y'all at the end of it all. So stay tuned. So you know how much? So we left off at 680.
And recycle.
How much is that?
20 bucks.
It's perfect. I got 700. That works for you. That's perfect for me.
So you need plastic, right?
Nah, it's okay, man. I don't want to make you do too much. Yeah, I'll throw them in the back.
Yep.
Oh man, well, thank you so much for everything. So y'all know, man, shout out Leon Tires, man. He took care of me. He got me right. Just so y'all know, Walter and Mass, please come and show some love. He'll get you right for the right price, and gonna make it quick. You ain't gonna be here forever. So without further ado, we're gonna show y'all some clips, and we'll see y'all later. Peace. He really took care of me. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Man, shout out Leon Tires, man. That's all I got to say.